Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Discord verification code is not coming on PC, whether you're waiting for an email code or SMS code, don't worry. This happens a lot, and there are several reasons behind it. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check spam, junk, and promotions folders. If you're waiting for an email verification code, open your email inbox and check the spam or junk folder. Discord emails often get filtered there, especially on Gmail or Outlook. Step 2, make sure your email address is correct. Go back to Discord and confirm that you entered the correct email without spelling mistakes. Even a small typo will stop the code from arriving. Step 3, click resend and wait properly. Press resend code only once, then wait at least 2 to 3 minutes. Sending multiple requests quickly can delay delivery. Step 4, disable VPN or proxy. VPNs can trigger security systems and block verification attempts. Turn off any VPN and try again. Step 5, check SMS issues if using phone verification. If you're waiting for an SMS code, make sure your mobile signal is strong. Also confirm that your carrier is not blocking automated messages. Step 6, restart your browser or PC. Close Discord and your browser completely, then reopen. Temporary session issues can block verification. Step 7, try a different browser or device. Sometimes browser extensions or cache cause issues. Try Chrome, Edge, or Firefox in incognito mode. Step 8, whitelist Discord emails. Add Discord's email domain to your safe sender list in email settings. This prevents future blocking. Step 9, wait if you tried too many times. Too many attempts in a short time can trigger a temporary security lock. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. Step 10, contact Discord support. If nothing works, go to Discord support and submit a request with your email, country, and screenshot of the error. Most verification code problems happen because of email filtering, VPN use, too many requests, or carrier SMS blocking. Following these steps fixes the issue for most users. Try these solutions and your Discord verification code should arrive without problems. See you in the next guide.